what's up guys, and welcome to the video. So special thanks to Hošek Motor Mercedes-Benz dealer. It's located in Brno in Czech Republic, and also here is a AMG Performance Center. Guys, Ivan here. In this video I want to show you the review of E53 AMG E state. So we are going to take a look at the exterior, at the engine, and of course at the interior of the car, and of course the boot space. So this car is painted in selenite grade metallic, and base price of this car is 66k in British pounds. The E63 S is 30k more. So this is a huge price difference between those two engine models. So now let's open the hood or the bonnet and check out the engine space. So the E53 4MATIC Plus offers convincing driving dynamics as well as up-to-date efficiency. The 3.0-liter 6-cylinder inline engine with exhaust gas turbocharger, shorter shift times, and the newly adjusted AMG Ride Control Plus sports suspension based on the air suspension air body control are just some of the technical highlights. So this is the brand new engine, and it is 3.0-liter 6-cylinder inline turbo engine with electric auxiliary compressor. So continuous development has been one of the main driving forces behind Mercedes-AMG for more than 50 years, and this is a proof of that. So this new engine has output of 435 horsepower or 320 kilowatts. Additional performance comes courtesy of 48-volt electrification and the integrated starter alternator with an output up to 16 kilowatts. In addition to this, an electric auxiliary compressor ensures outstanding engine response across the entire RPM range. So why have all this? For low consumption, dynamic acceleration, and exceptionally agile response. The new 3.0-liter inline engine is coupled with AMG Speedshift TCT 9G transmission, which impresses with extremely short shift times, fast response to shift pedal commands, and double declutching function and multiple downshifts. So whether automatic or initiated by the driver using the steering wheel shift pedals, upshift or downshifts are implemented instantly. Especially in the Sport Plus and in manual driving modes, the transmission is very responsive. AMG Ride Control Plus suspension. The air suspension system with particularly sporty spring damper setup and continuously adjustable damping system ADS Plus provides exceptional driving dynamics and high levels of ride comfort. The damping at each wheel adapts to the current driving situation and can be set in 3 stages. AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus. The performance-oriented all-wheel drive from Mercedes-AMG with fully variable torque distribution combines the advantages of an all-wheel drive with those of a rear-wheel drive. This means optimum traction and driving safety as well as maximum driving pleasure. Alright guys, so let's check out the back of the car. So this is the E-State. E-Class, you can get it in 4 different styles. E-Class Sedan, E-Class Coupe, E-Class Cabriolet, and this is Ford E-Class E-State, or Wagen, or in German T model. And also we use the name Combi. So this is the entry AMG level car, but this is a really powerful car with new technology. It looks great in selenite grade. I really like the exhaust tips. So let's take a closer look at the wheels and tires. So this car is fitted in with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, and these are the 20-inch 5 twin-spoke alloy wheels. I really like design of these rims, and these tires are 275/30 20-inch tires, R20. So I really like this design. So let's take a closer look at the interior of this beautiful car. So at the door trim you can see power seats, ventilated seats. And this is the interior in the black AMG Napa leather. So these are the comfort seats with nice support, but still very comfortable for long drive. AMG floor mats, Burmester sound system, AMG illuminated door trims, really nice detail. So let's hop inside. Close the door. So these are the new 12-inch displays. This car has two displays, one is command and one is instrument cluster. So here you can see USB port, NFC charging and two cup holders. So what do you think about this spec? Do you like this or do you prefer beige color? So this is new steering wheel with two touch zones. Really nice red on the steering wheel. Really nice detail. Also stitching, really nicely paired. AMG logo in the bottom of the steering wheel. Start stop button, new design. And beautiful animation of the AMG logo and of the car itself. So this is just a quick look at the infotainment system, because I didn't have a lot of time to shoot this car, and after that it was already sold. So you can see full infotainment review on my other reviews like CLS53 or E53 Coupe. So you can find a link in the description box down below, and there you can see every detail of this beautiful new infotainment system. Also nice LED illumination. So you can open the boot space from the key. So the load cover is retractable, automatically slides over the luggage area, and it's out of the way when the tailgate is closed or opened. So I really like this feature. So this boot space is really big. It's 640 liters. And if you fold rear seats, then you have 1820 liters. So you can fit a lot of things there, a lot of suitcases, a lot of wide and long stuff. So the E-Class Estate is very practical car in its own right, but also it's very fast because it's a 53 AMG version, so you get both of things. You have a fast car, but it's also very practical and it's very great for a family. You can pack a lot of things there. What do you need? Everything. So this is really great car. And also this car is 30k cheaper than E63 S. So if you don't have the budget or you don't want to spend so much money on the car, then you can choose this car and you still have an AMG with nice performance, but you have also good value for the power. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. If you like this video, give this video a like. If you have any more questions, leave them in the comment section down below. And if you like this content, then please subscribe. There are many more videos to come. So guys, have a great day and I'll see you soon in the next video.